I'm MD Shahabu.
Yeah, yes, you're right.
You're like Pakistan or India.
Bangladesh.
I see.
Bangladesh.
I feel you Bangladesh.
Yeah. You are from Philippines, right?
But you're, yes.
Yeah. I know how to speak Tagalog.
Wow.
Yeah.
Because maybe you have a white Filipino.
I just know Filipinas language.
Mm,
I just know Filipinas language. Mahal kita.
just only like that. Mahal kita.
Yeah.
Just only like that. Mahal kita. And in this you tell that I love you.
Yeah, you're right. Where do you live in Philippines?
In Manila.
Manila, okay.
Where are you now?
I'm at my home in my country.
And Bangladesh.
Yeah. And you? Where are you?
Good.
Middle East?
I'm here in Manila, Philippines.
Oh, you still Philippines? O-
Yeah.
Okay. Your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Aziza Azus.
Aziza Azus. Azus. Right?
Yeah, Azus Azus.
Azus. Okay. So
Aziza Azus.
Aziza Azus. Okay. Nice name. নাইস নেম, অনেক সুন্দর নাম। নাইস টু মিট ইউ। আপনার সঙ্গে দেখা হয়ে ভালো লাগলো।
You're welcome.
থ্যাংক ইউ।